Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's your boy emmagraphix, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to blend two background together. This background and this, we are going to blend this background together. I'm going to show you how to blend them together. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that you'll be able to get a new uploaded video. And without any further ado guys, let's jump into the video. Okay, so this is what you do once you export, once you import whatever background. This is my background, for example. You import this background, you click on any one you want, you import it like this. Exactly what I did. You, after importing, you click on import, you click and drag like that. Okay, click and drag. So these are the two background I just imported now. Okay, so but we are not using this. I'm trying to use this particular one, so I'm going to delete this one. I'm just trying to show you how to import the background. So so what you gotta do, what you're gonna do, I'm going to draw. Come to your rectangle tool and draw like this. All right guys, draw like that. Okay, and put it in center by using Ctrl P. Okay, and just like that, you leave it like that. Okay, first of all, you're now going to power clip this first one. You power clip it into the frame. All right, just like that. All right, power clip is just to right click on it. Okay, right click on the design, and then you see power clip. You power clip into the frame. So you go, if you want to go into the frame, you see all these little boxes down here. So you see the first one is telling you to edit the power clip. Just click on it, you will find yourself inside the box. All right, so I'm going to push this one down. So this is the first one we power clipped, and this is the second one. So I'm going to scale it up a little bit to fit in the frame. All right, so just like that guys. So the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, it looks terrible, isn't it? Right, it looks terrible. So what we are going to do, we are going to blend it. All right, we are going to blend it by clicking here. You just come to your transparency tool, just click on it, then you come and drag like this, right guys? So once you do that, you drag like that, drag just like that. All right, so as you can see, it is beginning to look like uh it's beginning to look like a blending background guys. So as you can see, you can see what I'm doing. You just click on it, you click and drag down. Okay, so I'm not supposed to do this particular one. So if you want to drag it down, so that's it, but I'm not going to do. I'm not going to just going to blend the blue one into the other background. So just like this guys. So if you look at it again, you see that the background, this place has been blended, unlike before. So it has been blended into the background. So that is how you can blend. And do it a little bit more, so you're gonna reveal or unveil it a little more, because that's the told you, this place is, you can play with this thing to use it to increase the opacity. Okay, so that's what you use to increase the opacity. All right, so you click on OK. So the background has been blended. So all right, so that is how you blend the background. Okay, okay, so I'm going to change the fonts just to make it a little bit bold. I can just add bold here. My system is slagging, so we just have to wait a little bit. I'm sorry about that, the system is lagging. So we can just give it a maybe this is fine, just this, and then maybe a white color. So this is it. That's how to blend the background. All right, This is how to blend the background, so you can go ahead and try and see how you can blend a background by yourself. So that's how to blend a background. So what will help you to blend your background is what we call transparency tools, as long as you have the background you want to blend together. Kindly subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video. I'll see you in my next video. And please, if you have any comment, drop it in the comment box down below. I'll be happy to respond. See you in my next video.